Hello YouTube, this is Sonic2KK here, and I don't have my retainer in because I have an excuse to take it out. And today we're going to be starting a new series, and it will be on Python, particularly Python 272. Now, go to python.org, and it should be pretty straightforward how to download, but when you're downloading it, if you really want to follow along, make sure you get 272 or 273. Anything below that might not work, anything above that might not work. But one thing I know that is different in Python 2 or 3.x is when you do this, you have to do this. Now this, I don't want to hit that. It'll still work in this version of Python, but in 3.x you have to do it like this. I'm not sure why, but you just do. Just know that. Or here you can just do print hello world. I'll do that. So anyway, if you don't understand what that does, don't worry, I will be explaining it in a second, but preferably you should watch my Lua tutorials, because then you'll probably understand what this does, and it will help a lot because you will have programming knowledge and you will be able to follow along a lot easier. So go watch my Lua tutorials and come back here. So this tutorial, what am I going to teach? I'm going to teach about the print statement, as you probably should already know about. And the print statement is basically what it does in the hello world. Whenever you put in the quotes, gets printed out into the console. Now, the cool thing about Python is it's like the interactive Lua, remember? In some of the first episodes we did Lua, and then we did, and it was interactive. Yeah, well, this is basically what this is, and this is called idle, and this is your prompt. Now, let me just say, whenever you're actually doing Python programming, chances are you won't be using idle, because when you're in advanced programming, you'll probably see how much idle sucks. But, now, this print, it's not a function. I have actually no idea what it is, but it works. And just remember, if you want to print something out, like an error message or a note to the user, then you do this and print. It basically does the exact same thing as what it does in Lua, except you don't have the parentheses, and you can have them if you want. So yeah, that's a print statement. Pretty straightforward, same as what it does in Lua. And what am I going to teach today, next? Because this is a pretty short tutorial. It's not going to end here. What am I going to teach? I'm going to teach comments. This is a comment. Like in Lua, instead of doing the double dash or the instead of doing that, it doesn't make a comment. Do the hash on a Mac. Fear not. All you have to do is hold Alt and press 3. And it will bring it up. Same also as a note. If you've been wondering, if you have a Mac, and on the 2 where the @ symbol is, there's a euro symbol beside it, and you've been wondering how to get it, hold Alt and press that, and you get the euro symbol. Just a side note that has nothing to do with it. So if I'm able to do this and print, say, print hello world to the screen. Now what you can do is hold shift and press enter, and it will not run the command. It will bring up a new line, and you can write print hello world. And there we go. Notice how the comment was still ignored. And if you don't know, the comment basically is a line of code that the editor does not read. It does not read comments because it is a comment to yourself. I saw a comment by the hash sign, and print, as you should already know if you did any sort of programming, it prints something to the screen. Well, other than JavaScript maybe, or HTML or CSS, but we'll not talk about that. So yeah, that is the print statement, and that is a comment. For a multi-line comment, I believe this is also called a docstring, maybe. And I don't know how to do the multi-line comments. Actually, you should just stick with doing pound signs. Hi. I don't know what happened there. That sometimes happens. That's why I hate idle. Idle sucks, by the way. Yeah. So that. How much time? Oh god, we've only been recording for like 5 minutes. I think I'll cut this tutorial here because that's pretty much all I wanted to teach. Remember, if you want to print something out, do this. This is a comment. This is an error. and you should read ours. And as a joke for any programmers that may have done any Java or something, I will leave you with that. Good day.